Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. All right, so this video is going to be something different. I say this sometimes, but it's gonna be different because I don't do this all the time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Tesla Model 3 and I'm gonna take it over to a supercharger. Not just any supercharger, it's going to be Tesla's 50,000th supercharger, and I'm gonna charge my car. That's right. It's probably about half hour-ish away from me. So anyway, I thought it'd be cool just to charge there and make a quick video on it, and it'll be something a little different. We'll talk about it when we get there. All right, let's get started. It'll be funny if I take the Range Rover out there and I ice the supercharger. But no, seriously, let's do it the right way. All right, let's get going. All right, here we are at the 50,000th supercharger. So, why am I here? I don't know. Really, to make a video. I guess that's the only reason why I'm here. But also, I think it's kind of shows where we came from. Here we are, 50,000 supercharger. And honestly, going into it, I liked Teslas in the beginning, and then I didn't like them. But it was hard to deny how great an electric car is, where we've came from, and here we are, where they all over the world they've built all these superchargers, and I think I just was surprised, like the 50,000th one around the world. This milestone is here within 40-mile drive for me, so thought I'd take the opportunity and charge. Let's see what we're getting. 214 kilowatts. Even my son decided to come on for the ride. Thanks, buddy, for being a good passenger today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can see here is painted in this ruby red color. In the corner. Looks like you got someone here trying to find out how to supercharge their car. Over here. I guess we put in that Lexus, huh? Guess he was just figuring out how to maybe he gets the Tesla where to park. This must be a fairly new supercharger because people are coming in here and just like looking at this setup. Now I'm really curious what he's doing. He's went around, he's circling around to the back, he's come up to the front. I don't know. It's backed up again. Did this used to be a gas station and everybody's sort of confused where the gas is, or he's pulling back into this one again? He's moved to 3 different stalls so far. It's really good. Interesting what they're doing. Each time they pull into the stall, they open the door. Alright, so I'm just gonna get it in a charge and head back home. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like, subscribe. I'm gonna do some Tesla videos, but also coming next month, there's gonna be more Range Rover content. I think that I'm gonna start that up for next month of October, and then we're gonna go to more BMW content in December. Alright, so subscribe. There's a lot more coming to the video. In between, there'll be a little bit mixture of some Tesla content and general content. And also coming soon, I'll be doing what's called 5-minute Fridays. 5-minute Fridays are going to be about like a small topic about a car, something that maybe someone don't know about. A lot of people have asked me to do topics like this and talk about it, like, you know, how the lights work, how the tire pressures, things like that. So I'm gonna go into that explanation, and then I'll do a video. So every 5 Fridays, it'll be 5-minute Fridays. So like I said, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and then going forward, if you want to see a video of my experiences with the Tesla at you know, my first impressions, click this video down here. Alright, and I'll talk about the reasons why I purchased this car, where I came from. And then if you are brand new to Tesla, hit this video up here. This one is going to talk about like how to just get started, especially if you're renting from Turo. And then if you just want to see random, I'm going to put a random video here just on the other side. But if you like what you see, you know, subscribe. If you're ordering Tesla, don't forget to use my referral link.